Hello guys, let's see this problem on Hackerrank called Java Abstract Class. So if you say abstract class, what does this mean? So if you see this example, they have declared an abstract class which is book, and so if you say it is not public or private, I think it is just abstract. So by abstract, what do we mean is it does not exist in English, but actually by abstract what do we mean is we are going to hide some details of the implementation of this class from other class. So what do we mean by this actually is, so in this class we have this string title, then we have this method. It is also abstract method. We'll discuss about this method afterwards, but we have any, suppose it is public method, or any method, then you have other public method, default method actually, get title and so on. So basically the thing is it is an abstract class, so whatever it has attributes and methods, whatever it has, they cannot be used by an object. So it means that we cannot create an object of this class book. So even if you try to create an object, so if you write book and then you write the name of this object and you try to create a new object of this abstract class, then it will give us an error because this is an abstract class. So obviously you guys will have this doubt that if you cannot use the strings or methods inside this class, then what's the use of this class? So how to use this methods is basically what you are going to do is create another class. Suppose the class name is Maxime. So what you will do, you will write class Maxime and you will write extends class book. So basically you can just you can use this book class or the abstract class as the parent class and inherit it in some other class, and inside of that class you can obviously override the methods and all. You can get access to the attributes and all in this class, and you can use, and obviously if you are creating a normal public class which is extending this class book, you can create an object of that class whatever you are using to inherit this public class. So basically it means that abstract classes cannot be instantiated, but they can be inherited, and the methods and all can be used in other class. Okay, I hope you got the brief idea of what an abstract class is. And now about abstract method. So actually it is nothing but the same thing. So inside of an abstract class or in any class, if you have an abstract method, it means that you cannot basically you will, whatever class you are going to use to inherit it, you will have to compulsory implement this method afterwards. So if you see, they just have declared the name and all of this class. They haven't actually specified the body of this class. So it means that whenever you inherit this abstract class or any class for the matter of fact in which this abstract method is there, in that class you will have to compulsorily implement this method or write the body of this method. So I know we just talked and instead of that, let us implement and see what does it mean. Okay, so I'll do one thing, I'll just copy this code and paste it over here. Okay, so fine, first of all let us jump to this code quickly. So this is the public class main method and all, so scanner and all, it is all fine. So see, they have created a my book class which is not defined as of now, so we'll define it now as they have told us. Okay, so let us define it. So I'll just write class, and this is a default class, remember, not an abstract class or anything like that. So class my book, and we will see, the thing is that they have told us to use this as the inherited class. So basically we are going to inherit the abstract class. So abstract class book, we have this abstract class book, it has the attributes as title and it has the abstract method as well, which we will have to implement in a class that we create, which is this class actually, and then get title and so on. So class my book, this is a class, so we'll write extend, not implements. We will write implements for an interface. So extends our abstract class which is book. Okay, and afterwards, so if you see, we are getting this red line because we are having an error. Why is that error? Let us see. So it is saying implement methods. Why is it showing this implement methods? Because this abstract class book, or for the matter of fact, even if it wasn't an abstract class, still it would give us an error if we extend it, because it has an abstract method. And I told you all, if you have an abstract method, you need to implement that method, because this method does not have any body. So we'll have to implement this method, and it is already suggesting us we'll have to implement this set title method. I'll say okay, so it will implement it by itself. Okay, that's what it has done. And basically we just have to write the body of this code, body for this method now, which is nothing but this abstract method. So the body will be simple. We are going to set the title. So this dot title will be equal to the string which is used as the parameter over here. That's what is going to be the implementation. And otherwise we don't have to implement the get title on, because it can be used by the object of this class my book. So if you see string titles, whatever it is taking the title of the book, and my book new now it is. So see, New novel is the object of my book. So this is the inherited class, and we have created an object of the inherited class, and you can do that. But if you were to create an object of this book class, then you will get an error, but you don't get an error over here. And new novel, and you're just going to set the title, which is nothing but this method. So if you see, I clicked over here and this thing got highlighted, the set title method, and it did not get highlighted over here because it is an abstract method, and we are hiding the implementation details in this class, and we are basically using the details over here, and we are using the methods of this class by using an object of this class over here, not mine, new novel or whatever. And we are just pulling out the title is and new novel dot get title, and you see, I click over here get title. The get title method over here gets highlighted, which means we are using this method as of now, and whatever it is. So I'll show you how you will get an error if you create an object of the book class. So let us write book. Let us call Harry Potter, which is a really famous book, without a typo. So equals to new. Let us say book class. Okay, hold on. Yeah, if you see, we are getting an error, and this is wrong spelling, but never mind. Why is this error? Let us see. So it is saying book classes abstract cannot be instantiated. That's what is the deal. So you cannot do this. You cannot create an object. Instantiated means you cannot create an object. Remember, we just have to create this class. So I'll just copy this code and paste it over here. I know I talked a lot. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubts, you can obviously ask me in the comment section. For now, let us submit it and see what happens. So everything is right. There's no error. So that's all from my side. You can subscribe to our channel to get updates regarding new videos. That's all. Stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.